What is happening, party people? This is Brett Jackson Boogie's Happiness and Retirement channel coming at you. And today I'm going to talk to you about what to do with that overabundance of ghost peppers from your retirement garden. I have an overabundance of ghost peppers. And so what I do is I take them and I string them up on a little piece of string, and I'll put them in a dark, dry place like my pantry, and I'll leave them to dry there for a couple of weeks, and they'll get dried. And then I will use this grinder that I bought on Amazon. It's a coffee/spice grinder, Hamilton Beach. I'll drop it in the link. I'm an Amazon associate. I get a little bonus if you guys actually buy it, and you guys pay the same as the Amazon price. So anyway, I'll drop it into this spice mixer here, grinder, on half setting, and it turns out into this beautiful spice. That's enough there from 3 peppers to kill an elephant. I'm telling you. And then you could just drop a little bit of this spice in dishes that you cook. Like if you like to make Indian dishes, they've got a little kick to them, like masala or something like that, chana masala. This is perfect. So anyway, I'm going to show you how to do it. Let's get to it. All right, party people. So we're going to take a couple of these dried up peppers here that I've been letting dry in my pantry and take them off the string. I recommend wearing gloves and a mask, but I'm not going to this time, just for purposes of making the video. So let's take a couple of these bad boys, take the stems off. They're nice and dry, see? Put them in to the grinder. Close your grinder up. You gotta make sure, there you go. Grind it up. By the way, the trick to this is make sure those peppers are dry. Moisture is your enemy. Moisture will ruin the motor in this grinder. So you grind it up real nice to your desired. Do not stick your face down in there or anything. I'm telling you, people, this stuff is hot. So there you go, your desired texture. And there we go. See that spice there? And then you just put it in to your little shaker, and man, you're in business. You got spices forever. All right, now, if you like my material, hit subscribe or go to the next video. Peace out, and thank you so much for watching this video.